If you need to cancel a pending transfer on OpenCart, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation procedure effectively. Step 1. Log into your OpenCart admin panel. Access your OpenCart admin dashboard by entering your credentials. Once logged in, you will be able to manage all aspects of your store, including pending transfers. Step 2. Navigate to the Orders section. In the admin panel, locate and click on the Sales tab in the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, select Orders to view all current orders, including any pending transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ISROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Open the order details. Click on the order number or the edit button next to the pending transfer to view the order details. This will take you to a page where you can see all information related to the order. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. On the order details page, look for the option to cancel the order. This may be labeled as cancel order or void transfer. Click this option and confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation. After completing these steps, the pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. Make sure to check your order list to confirm that the status has been updated. If you have any further questions, consult the OpenCart documentation or support for additional assistance.